Now I did not share anything. Once class start, I'll share. Okay, Hare Krishna, kids. Welcome to the Damodar class. Let's start with the prayers. Okay. Om Ajnanatimirandasya
ज्ञानाञ्जनाशलाकया चरन्निधिर्नमितया तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः
नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रस्थाय
भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी
नमस्ते सारस्वते निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशकारिणे जय
श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद जय
भक्त वृंदा
हरे
11 times, okay?
11 times, okay? One time, Hare Krishna, Krishna,
Krishna Hare Hare, Hare
Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Hare,
Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. One last time, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, today is Krishna story. I request everybody to be on the mute.
If you want to hear the story, please be quiet.
Okay, thank you, kids, for being on the mute. Thank you. Okay, today we will see the story of King Righa. Okay, one fine day, one sunny day, Krishna's children, Samba, Pradyumna, Ban, Gada, and everybody, they all went to picnic to have a nice enjoying day. So what happened that time? Everybody, after playing so much, what happens in the picnic? Everybody tried to play so many different games, right? Running very fast and playing so many things. We play ball and everything, right? Like in those days, they used to play with the fruits. All that games, after playing everything, they became so thirsty and they want to drink some water. So they went by nearby a well. So where and then they want to see inside if there is some water, so then they can drink some water because they're so thirsty. So then they looked inside the well and they did not find any water. Did they find water? No, they did not find any water inside it. And then they saw something different. What is that they saw? they saw one lizard. You can see in the picture. So they saw one lizard, and those people, all these kids, when they saw, they got like, oh, I have to help this lizard. And all of them tried to remove the lizard by different ways. They tried their 100% to help that lizard, but lizard were not coming out. They could not do it because for them it was very hard to take it out. And they all went back to home, and Krishna and everybody were waiting for them. So once they went, and they asked the help of Krishna. Krishna, they asked, because Krishna is their father, and they want to ask the help to the father. And all these children went and asked the father that, we went, when we went to the picnic, that time we saw a lizard in the well, and we felt very sorrow for that, because the lizard is suffering inside the well. It fell inside the well. Could you please help the lizard? So they asked their father like that. So then what happened? As soon as Krishna heard their children saying this, Krishna said, okay, I will go and help. Krishna personally went to this place where all the kids played and where this well is there. Krishna went over there, and Krishna just went and saw inside the well. Krishna saw a lizard in helpless condition, no water over there, nothing. Lizard was, just inside it. And then Krishna wanted to help the lizard. Just Krishna touched with his lotus hand that lizard like this. As soon as Krishna hold the lizard and trying to take it out, immediately a wonder happened. What happened? A beautiful demigod came out of the lizard, and he was wearing very beautiful dress, shining clothes, silk cloth, necklace, other jewels. So Krishna asked, my dear demigod, I see your body is so beautiful. How you were in this lizard body? How did you came here? What happened to you? Who are you? Then immediately the demigod replied, saying this, I am a king of, I'm a son of a king, Ishwaku. My name is Riga. You are
Riga.
You are the supreme personality of Godhead. You know about everything. Now the demigod is speaking to supreme personality of Godhead, that you know everything Krishna, but you are asking me. As you ask, I am telling, because Krishna is a supreme. He knows everything what's happening. He knows about this lizard story also, who is this lizard, and everything he knows, but he's just inquiring for all of us, right? So then it's the same thing. The demigod was replying, the king was replying that you know everything Krishna, but I am telling it because you asked me. So now demigod started speaking. 1 second, what happened? For many years he was telling like this, I was giving charity to so many brahmanas, beautiful cows, which are young cows, which are decorated with so much of gold, silk, and silver, so many things, which is and other things also, and completely the cow was covered with the gold and silver, silk clothes, and expensive things. And he was distributing to so many brahmanas like this, all the cows, giving charity. The cow is very auspicious. If somebody is giving something to the cow, Krishna is so happy. If somebody donating for cow for 1 day food, we see in ISKCON temples, they ask you to take cow's responsibility. Can you give money for 1 day for cows eating? Then if we give like that, it is very nice. Krishna is so pleasing, because cow is our mother, right? So whoever is giving charity to the cow, it is very auspicious. So this, as he is a king, he wants to be very nice, and so to everybody, and also to distribute a lot of gifts to brahmana. So that's why he was giving charity to brahmanas, cow. And when he did this, what happened is, he gave the cow to one of the brahmana, but the cow came back. again to the palace of this king, and again stayed with the other cows. So what happened? So again he wants to give to the some other people also, some other brahmana also charity, right? But this cow came again and was there in the king's palace. So again king gave the same cow to others, but he didn't know that the cow has came back. Even though it was not his mistake, the other brahmana came and said that, you know, you gave my cow to another brahmana, and these brahmanas, both brahmanas, the first cow who got that brahmana, and the second time who took the other brahmana, the cow went to the second house, right? That brahmana, both brahmanas were fighting now. Oh, this is my cow, I got it first. This is my cow, I want it. But king was telling, no, no, you don't have to worry. I'm going to give you, instead of this one cow, I'm going to give you so many thousands of lakhs of cows and so much of gold. Please, please give it back to the another brahmana, please. Like that, he was trying to convince one brahmana, but both the brahmanas were not convincing. Both are saying, I want this cow, I want this cow. So like these brahmanas were so upset and they are so sad. So what happened? When this king has died, what happened when he went to the kingdom of Yamaraja, when he went to what happened is that time Yamaraja told that you were very nice king, but unknowingly you did one mistake. You hurt a brahmana. Because of that, you have to live as a lizard in your next life. So this is a punishment Yamaraja has given because he hurt a brahmana. But it was not his mistake. He did it, right? So sad about it. So what happened next? So after that, when he was he could see that, oh, his body was transferring into the lizard body, but still, because he was so pious king, right? He could remember Krishna, the supreme personality of Godhead, and he was always thinking, Krishna, please.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Nirvi. Who is that? Nirvi or who is that? Okay, can you all be quiet? Hare Krishna, please. Like that, he was remembering always Krishna, even in that lizard body.
Mataji, Mataji.
Okay, thank you, kids. So then, even in that lizard body, he was always remembering Krishna, and he was thinking, "Oh, Krishna, please help me," like that. Then finally, Krishna heard his things, and also he did not do any mistake. Right? He did not do any mistake. That's why Krishna helped him to come back to his original.
Mataji, where is Mataji? You're muted.
Yes, yes, yes. I know that. I know that.
Where from she stopped the pranam?
Okay, okay. So I know where it has stopped. Okay. What happened is after that he said thank you to Krishna because his body came back. He's now regular demigod body. He got it because of his pious things. So then what happened? So now he was saying thank you to Krishna, and he circumambulated around Krishna, pradakshina to Krishna, and then he did.
Somebody.
I don't know, Mataji, somebody is muting me. So then what happened is, so then he's offered his obeisances to Krishna, and then afterwards, from the higher planetary system, there came aeroplane, and Janavi, can you don't touch the laptop, please? Okay. Good girl. So then what happened? After that, from the higher planetary system, aeroplane came, and this king went back to the higher planetary system. So here, what Krishna is saying is, even though that king's mistake was not there, why he got punished? Because we should be very careful when we are doing.
Who is muting?
Mataji, somebody is muting Mataji. I don't know who is muting. Hope you are able to hear the class.
Yes, we can hear Mataji. We can hear.
Okay, okay. So then, what happened is we have to be very, very careful when we are doing some charity, some vrata. We have to be very careful that we should not hurt anybody. If you hurt, what happened? If we especially hurt Brahmana, we have to suffer for 10 lives. Like not only we, our children and
Janavi, is that you? Mataji, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, Mataji, I'm unmuted, Mataji. Janavi, please, Janavi. Krishna will be so happy, okay? If you don't touch. Yes, I want your hands to be seen like that. Okay, good girl, Janavi. Okay. So now, what we have to learn from this story is, even though that Brahmana's mistake was not there, he was suffering because we have to be very, very careful with the Brahmanas while we are dealing with Brahmanas, giving any charity or anything. We have to be careful. If we do in the same way, if you do the devotional service and give so many things with the love to the other people, then Krishna will bless so much. Not only us, Krishna will bless our 10 generations. When we do mistake also, for our 10 generation it's a big problem. When we do good thing, we will get benefited. Not only me, everybody in my family is going to get benefited. So we have to be very, very careful not to get into the problem of suffering. We have to serve Krishna and pray to Krishna.
Mataji, you're muted.
Yes, Mataji. Pray to Krishna that always we engage in the service of him so that we don't make many mistakes like this. Afterwards, Krishna went back to his home and he told to his children that it is not their mistake. It is not the lizard mistake. Lizard was very nice, but because of the small thing, it happened like this. And now he is free. Like that, he told to his children. And then afterwards, everybody in Dwaraka were so happy seeing Krishna because Krishna is lovable to everybody in Dwaraka, right? So we should make sure that we always serve Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. Okay. Now moving to the question answer session. Okay. Can anybody tell Krishna's children's name? Even one name is also okay for me. Remember anybody? Samba Pratyuma. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Okay. When they got thirsty, where they went?
A well.
Is there any water inside?
No.
What did they saw instead of water?
Lizard.
Oh, could they remove the lizard out? Then who removed it?
Krishna.
Who came out of the lizard?
Demigod.
God.
Demigod.
What was it?
Demigod.
What was his name? What was the king name? Oh, okay. Vrinda, wait. What is his father name? Can anybody remember his father name? Ikshvaku. Okay. Why did he become lizard? Can anybody say?
The night of Brahma. Because he hurt the Brahma.
He heard Brahmana. Yes, thank you kids for participating so nicely. Let's move to the sloka, okay? We will welcome Saroja Nandini Mataji to teach us sloka. Hare Krishna, Saroja Nandini Mataji, please take over Mataji.
Hare Krishna, thank you Mataji.
Mataji, today two slokas. Can Anjana Mataji tell what to do? Mataji?
I think the shlokas are easy. I think we can do one shloka and then we can do the second part because these are easy ones.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, So let's start with the shloka. Please repeat. Arjuna Vacha
Arjuna Vacha
Param Brahma Param Dhama
Param Brahma Param Dhamma
Pavitram Paramam Bhavan
Vitram Paramam Bhavan
Purusham Shashvatam Divyam
Purusham Shashvatam Divyam
Adideva Ajam Vibhum
Adidevam Ajam Vibham
Arjuna Vacha
Arjuna Vacha
Param Brahma Param Dhama
Param Brahma Param Dhamma
Pavitram Paramam Bhavan
Pavitram Paramam Bhavan
Purusham Shashvatam Divyam
Vidyam
Purusham Shashvatam Divyam
Vidyam
Adidevam Ajam Vibhum One more time. Arjuna Vacha
Arjuna Vacha
Param Brahma Param Dhama
Paramma Param Dhamma
Pavitram Paramam Bhavan
Pavitram Paramam Bhavan
Purusham Shashvatam Divyam
Purusham Shashvatam Divyam
Adidevam Ajam Vibhum
Adidevam Ajam Vibhum.
Okay, let's go to the translation. Please repeat after me. Arjuna said,
Arjuna said,
you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead,
you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Supreme Personality of Godhead.
the ultimate abode,
The ultimate abode.
the purest,
The purest.
the absolute truth.
The absolute truth.
You are the eternal,
You are the eternal.
transcendental,
Transcendental.
original person,
Original person.
the unborn, the greatest.
The greatest.
All the great sages,
All the great sages.
such as Narada Asita, Devala and Vyasa, confirm this truth about you. And now you yourself are declaring it to me. Okay. Thank you for repeating the translation so nicely. This shloka, these two shlokas, is a set of shlokas where Arjuna is glorifying Krishna. This conversation of Bhagavad Gita happens in the battlefield of Kurukshetra between Krishna and Arjuna, right? Do you all know? Bhagavad Gita is a conversation between Krishna and Arjuna. So sometimes Krishna talks, sometimes Arjuna talks. And now Arjuna is talking. It is Arjuna Vacha. So these two shlokas Arjuna is telling and he's glorifying Krishna. How does he glorify Krishna? He says, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And he also says that you are the ultimate abode, which means that we all belong to Krishna's world. We have to go back to him. And then he says you are the purest, Pavitram. He says you're the purest and the absolute truth, which means that Krishna, beyond Krishna, there is no other truth. If you know Krishna, that means you know everything. So then he goes on to say you are the eternal, because what does eternal mean? Eternal means that Krishna has been existing forever. He never, he was not born at any point, or he doesn't die at any point. He's always there. He's eternally there. And he's transcendental. He is not subject to the material laws. Okay, when you come into the material world, you have to, you are under the laws of material nature, which means that material nature can control you. But Krishna is beyond material world, which means that he is transcendental. He is not affected by the material nature. Okay. And original person means that from Krishna everybody came. Krishna did not come from anybody. He has been there eternally. Okay, so everything came from Krishna. He is the original person. He is unborn and the greatest. Unborn means that he doesn't have a father and a mother. He is the father of all living entities, but he does not have a father and a mother. So that's why he is the greatest, because he is the original, transcendental, and unborn and eternal. Okay, so in the second shloka, it's describing about how all the different great sages, they are confirming this. So there are some names, Narada, Asita, Devala, and Vyasa. These are all very great sages. They also confirm that Krishna is the supreme person and he is the absolute truth. So, and then Arjuna is saying that now you yourself are declaring it to me. So Krishna is also telling, but the other great sages are also telling. So it's like double confirmation for Arjuna, and that's what he is telling to Krishna now. Okay, so this is the meaning of the shloka. Let's move to the rhyme. This rhyme is about Rama avatar, about Lord Rama. So please repeat for, the lines. Who's that holding a golden bow?
Who's that holding a golden bow?
With a lotus eye and greenish skin.
With a lotus eye and greenish skin.
Okay, let's just remove the A. We have to say with lotus eyes. Okay, so let's do it one more time. With lotus eyes and greenish skin.
With lotus eyes and greenish skin.
Who's that holding a golden bow?
Who's
that holding a golden bow?
With Sita, Lakshman, and Hanuman.
with
With Sita, Lakshman, and Hanuman.
with
Sita, Lakshman, and Hanuman.
Rama, Hari Hari Bol.
Rama, Hari Bol.
Keshava Drita, Rama Sharira. Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Jai
Jai Jagadish Hare.
Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Jai Jagadish Hare.
Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Jai Jagadish Hare.
Okay, let's do one more time. It's a similar tune for all the rhymes, so I think it should be easy. Who's that holding a golden bow?
Who's that holding a golden bow?
With lotus eyes and greenish skin.
With lotus eyes and golden skin.
Who's that holding a golden bow?
Who's that
with Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman.
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 Rama, Hari Hari Bol.
Rama, Hari Hari Bol.
Keshavadrita Rama Sharira.
Keshavadrita Rama Sharira.
Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
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 Okay, thank you, kids. Let's break into different rooms so we can recite individually. Mataji, can we break now?
Mataji, the breakout rooms are done. Mataji, it says the host is. It says something for me.
Yeah,
Mataji.
so we are
It says-
breaking the rooms, okay? So once we are...
Yeah. It says the host is inviting you to join
Can you click yes?
that
Can you
room.
click and then
Breakout room 1.
Can you click on that?
But the join button, Mataji.
Yes, click on the join button.
Okay. Mataji,
Yes?
it's showing nothing. It's not showing the breakout room joining stuff.
Are you able to see? Or you're saying that you're not able to
in the
see?
breakout room. Only some of you are in the breakout room. Okay.
Some of you will be in the
Mataji, can you see the screen? Mataji, it's ready, Mataji.
Okay, so let's start. Who wants to go first? Okay, Shubhadra and Giridhari, you can go first.
Krishna Mataji Dhanna Pranam. Arjuna Abacha Param Brahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavam Purusham Shabhachatam Devyam Adi Devam Atam Vibhum. Who is that holding a golden bowl with a lotus eyes and a greenish skin? Who is that holding a golden bow with Sita, Lakshmana and Hanuman? With Sita, Lakshmana and Hanuman. Rama Hari Hari Bol, Keshavadrita Rama Sharira. Jai Jagadisha Hare, Jai Jagadisha Hare, Jai Jagadisha Hare. Hare Krishna Mataji, Dhanna Pranam.
Thank you, Shubhadra and Giridhari. Very nice. Okay, Shubhadra and then Nirvi. Shubhadra, you can go.
Holding a golden ball with lotus eyes and greenish skin. Who's that holding a golden ball with Sita and Lakshman and Hanuman? With Sita and Lakshman and Hanuman. Rama Hari Hari Bol, Keshavadrita Rama Sharira. Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Shubhadra. Very nice. Nirvi, you can go ahead.
Arjuna Uvacha
Param Brahma Param Dhama
Payam
Brahma
Brahma
Param Dhama
Payam Dama
Pavitram Pavitram Paramam Bhavan
Bhavan
Purusham Shashwatam
Purusha Shashwatam
Vatam Divyam
Divyam
Adi Devam
Ajam Vibhum.
Someone is muting us, Mataji. Who is that holding a golden bow?
Who's that holding
A golden bow
golden bow
with a lotus eyes. With lotus eyes
with the lotus eyes,
and greenish skin.
greenish skin?
Who's that holding a golden bow?
Who's that holding a bow?
Golden bow
Golden bow
with Sita,
with Sita,
Lakshmana,
Lakshmana,
and Hanuman.
and Hanuman.
With Sita, Lakshmana,
Sita, Lakshmana,
and Hanuman.
and Hanuman.
Rama,
Rama, Hari Hari Bol, Keshavadita.
Rama Sharira.
Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Nirvi. Very nice. Okay, Pranav, you can go ahead. After Pranav, you can go Prahlad. Okay. Pranav, please go ahead.
Arjuna Uvacha Param Brahma Param Dhamma Pavitram Param Bhavam Purusham Shashwatam Divyam. Who's that?
No, there's one more line.
Purusham
After that, next paragraph. First line. Purusham
I said that.
Shashwatam Divyam Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum. Yeah, next line.
Who's that holding a golden bow with lotus eyes and greenish skin? Who's that holding a golden bow
Sorry.
with
Sita.
with Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman? With Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman. Rama, Hari Hari Bol. Keshavatita Rama Sharira, Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Pranav. That was very nice. Okay, now you can go ahead.
Arjuna Vacha Param Brahma Param Dhamma Pavitram Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashwatam Adi Devam Ajam Vibham. Who's that holding a golden bow with lotus eyes and greeny skin? Who's that holding a golden bow with Sita, Lakshmana and Hanuman? With Sita, Lakshmana and Hanuman. Rama, Hari Hari Bol. Keshavadrita Rama Sharira, Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare, Jaya Jagadisha Hare.
Thank you, Prahlad. That was good. Anybody else? Please raise your hand. Who's this?
What is that?
Parikshit. Yes, Parikshit. Go ahead.
Who is that holding a golden bow? Again.
We said holding a golden bow
With a
with a
lotus eyes
lotus eyes
and greenish skin.
and green is
Who is that?
with a
Hold,
is that holding
a golden bowl
with
with
Sita,
Sita,
Lakshman,
Man,
and
and Hanuman.
with
With the Lakshman and Hanuman.
Rama.
Rama,
Hari Hari Bol.
Hari Hari Bol.
Kesavadrita.
Kesavadita.
Rama Sarira.
Mama Sarira.
Jaya.
Jai Jagadish Sarare. Jai Jagadish Sarare. Jai Jagadish Sarare.
You want to say solo? Solo.
Thank you, Parikshit. That was so nice.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, who else wants to say?
Me, Mataji.
Madhava. Mayuk. Yes, Mayuk, please go ahead.
A golden bowl. Who's the holding?
Mayuk, we can't hear you. Please unmute.
Who's the holding a golden bowl with a lotus eyes and keen skin? Who's the holding a golden bowl
With Sita,
with Sita, Lakshmana,
and Hanuman.
and Hanuman?
With Sita.
Sita.
Mayuk, we can't hear you again.
Keshavadrita.
Keshavadita,
Rama Sarira.
Rama Sarira, Jaya Jagadish Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mayuk. Okay, I saw Madhava. Do you want to sing?
Miss. Yes, Hare Krishna,
Krishna, yes.
Arjuna Bhaja, Pavitram, Paramdhamam, Paramdhamam. Param Brahma, Paramdhama, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavan, Purusha Shashvata Divyam, Shashvata Divyam, Adidevam Ajam Vibhum, Who is that holding a golden bowl? Who is that golden bowl? With the lotus eyes and green skin. Lotus eyes and green skin. Who is that holding a golden bowl? Who is that holding a golden bowl? With Sita, Lakshmana, Hanuman. With Sita, Lakshmana, Hanuman. Rama, Hari Hari. Rama, Hari Hari Bol. Keshavadita, Rama Rupa. Jai Jagadish Hare. Jai Jagadish Hare. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Madhava. That was good.
Vrinda?
Yes, Vrinda, please go ahead.
Yeah, Mataji, it's 6:14. Is that okay?
Yeah, Vrinda, do you want?
Mataji, is this Govinda group? I want to say the rhyme.
Okay, yes, please go ahead. Just say the rhyme. Yeah.
Who's that holding a golden bowl with lotus eyes and green skin? Who's that holding a golden bowl with Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman. With Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman. Rama, Hari Hari Bol, Keshavadita, Rama Sharira, Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Vrinda. That was so good. Okay, it's time to end the class because there's another class that's starting. So let's end with our Vaishnava prayers. Pancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha
Patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you all kids. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, everyone.